Hey, you look sick. And hey, you look kind of sort of like a doctor. Huh, doctor, meet patient. Patient, meet doctor.
Nice to meet